I am Aligai Lingappa, Assistant Professor in Physics. Now I am discussing about an expression for de Broglie's wavelength. So, elements of quantum mechanics. Statistical mechanics, quantum mechanics, and electronics. Program BSc, subject physics, semester 5th semester, University, Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devara University, Ballari, session 9. Learning objective. So, dual nature of light, that means the light which behaves as both wave in nature and also particle in nature. Wave nature of light, particle nature of light, dual nature of matter. Session outcomes: study of photoelectric effect, study of black body radiation, study of Raman effect and Compton effect, dual nature of matter, particle nature of matter. Prerequisites: concept of wavelength, linear momentum, mass and energy relation, dual nature of light, particle nature of light, wave nature of light. De Broglie's waves. De Broglie wavelength is an important concept while studying quantum mechanics. The wavelength that is associated with an object in relation to its momentum and mass is known as de Broglie's wavelength. A particle's de Broglie wavelength is usually inversely proportional to its force. It is said that matter has a dual nature of wave particles. De Broglie waves, named after the discoverer Louis de Broglie, is a property of a material object that varies in time or space while behaving similar to waves. It is also called matter waves. It holds great similarity to the dual nature of light, which behaves as particle and wave, which has been proven experimentally. That means dual nature of matter. The physicist Louis de Broglie suggested that particles might have both wave properties and particle properties. The wave nature of electrons was also detected experimentally to substantiate the suggestion of Louis de Broglie. The objects which we see in day to day life have wavelengths which are very small and invisible. Hence, we do not experience them as waves. However, de Broglie wavelengths are quite visible in case of subatomic particles. So, de Broglie wavelength formula and then derivation. That means, whatever the expression for de Broglie wavelength, how which can be derived. De Broglie reasoned that matter also can show wave particle duality just like light. Since light can have, that means can behave both as a wave, it can be diffracted and it has a wavelength. And as a particle, it contains packets of energy h nu. And also reason that matter would follow the same equation for wavelength as light, namely lambda is equal to h by p, where p is the linear momentum. So that means we know that where, according to quantum theory of light, the light which behaves as both particle in nature and also wave in nature, where the light which consists of discrete packets of energy, so-called quanta behaves as a particle known as photon. The energy of each photon is given by h nu, h Planck's constant, new frequency of radiation. So we know that L is equal to h by p, the relation between wavelength and a linear momentum. De Broglie derived the above relationship as follows. E is equal to h nu for a photon according to quantum theory of radiation, and lambda v is equal to c for an electromagnetic wave, that means the v is equal to f lambda. So lambda nu is equal to c for an electromagnetic wave by the relation between velocity, frequency and then the wavelength. Then E is equal to mc square, mass energy relation, Einstein's mass energy relation. That means lambda is equal to h by mc, which is equivalent to lambda is equal to h by p, because mc that indicates product of mass and velocity, so called, that gives linear momentum. Where m is the relativistic mass and not the rest mass of a particle, since the rest mass of a photon is 0. Now if a particle is moving with a velocity v, the momentum p is equal to mv, and hence lambda is equal to h by mv. Therefore, the de Broglie wavelength formula is expressed as lambda is equal to h by mv, or lambda is equal to h by p. Then applications of de Broglie waves. Which are the applications? So the wave properties of matter are only observable for very small objects. De Broglie wavelength of a double slit interference pattern is produced by using electrons as the source. 10 electron volt electrons, which is the typical energy of an electron in an electron microscope. Then the de Broglie wavelength is equal to 3.9 into 10 ⁻⁻ 10 meter. This is comparable to the spacing between atoms. Therefore, a crystal acts as a diffraction grating for electrons. The diffraction pattern allows the crystal structure to be determined. In a microscope, the size of the smallest features we can see is limited by the wavelength used. With visible light, the smaller wavelength is 400 nanometer, which is equal to 4 into 10 ⁻⁷ meter. So typical electron microscopes use wavelengths 1,000 times smaller and can be used to study very fine details, depth details. So now we have discussed about multiple choice questions. An electron and a photon have the same wavelength. If P is the momentum of the electron and E is the energy of the photon, The magnitude of P by E is in SI unit is 3.33 10 power of minus 9. Which of the following is called as non-mechanical wave? Magnetic waves, electromagnetic waves, electrical waves, matter waves. The electromagnetic waves, they are the non-mechanical waves. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron which has been accelerated from rest, an application of a potential of 400 volts, say 0.6135 angstrom. Which of the following is associated with an electron microscope? Matter waves, electrical waves, magnetic waves, electromagnetic waves. So matter waves which are associated with an electron microscope. So fifth one, the de Broglie wavelength of a particle is the same as the wavelength of a proton, wavelength of a photon. Then the photon's energy is equal to the kinetic energy of the particle, less than the kinetic energy of the particle, greater than the kinetic energy of the particle. Nothing can be specified. So, C is the correct answer, greater than the kinetic energy of the particle, because the photon which moves with larger velocity. Then what about the applications of, that means the de Broglie's wavelength? Study of electron microscope, study of Raman effect and Compton effect, uncertainty principle, study of photoelectric effect, and then black body irradiation. So references for the study of de Broglie's wavelength: Modern Physics by B.V.N. Rao, Modern Physics Volume 2 by Basuraj, Homkar Publications, Concept of Modern Physics by S.L. Gupta and S. Gupta, Modern Physics by Murugesan, College Physics by Sundarajan, Jas Thomas and Aziz. Thank you.